Mike Paulenoff's trading diary features his chart analysis of key indexes and sectors in play, plus trade alerts in ETFs and key component stocks that track these sectors. These indexes and sectors include oil, gold, the S&P 500, technology in the Qs, the US dollar, and much more, either long or short. Let's log in and have a look. Each morning, Mike posts to the site more than an hour before the open. He covers key economic data and events like Fed announcements, plus news overnight of importance to the markets. He also posts chart analysis of the S&P 500 through its round-the-clock emini futures contract. Mike typically combines or follows up his S&P coverage with a chart on commodity futures like oil or gold. And on this particular day, Mike's next post is on the NYMEX crude oil futures, which he sees in this chart as rolling over short term. As you can see here, members are invited to post their comments right alongside Mike's posts, which he responds to throughout the day. Here, Mike begins his trade alerts, on this day adding to his ultra-short QID position. As you'll see, he provides an initial alert ahead of the trade, preparing subscribers for the entry price he wishes to be filled at and where the protective stop should be. All of Mike's trades, incidentally, are tracked on a portfolio page, which is at the top of the trading diary. Mike also posts comments during the day under the heading, "What am I thinking?" Here he discusses why he's watching the TBTs closely for a possible trade due to 10-year yield pushing up against key resistance. Here he takes a trade in the SCO, the ultra-short oil ETF, given his earlier bearish analysis on oil prices. Mike follows up his market directional analysis throughout the day with another update here on the emini S&P 500. He moves on to an analysis of Amazon, a key NASDAQ and QQQ component as it relates to his QID position. Here is more discussion with members, additional S&P 500 analysis, another "What am I thinking" post, and here I'd like to stop as this subscriber has taken a moment to congratulate Mike on his successful work. It's amazing, he writes, how Mike's technical work is so uncannily accurate. We hit resistance levels and whoosh, down 15 handles in no time at all. Thanks for all the amazing chart work. Finally, after more discussion, Mike closes the day with an after-hours view of the emini S&P. That's a peek at the content of Mike's diary. Let me take a moment to go over a few of the options in terms of how this content is displayed and delivered to you. Whenever Mike makes a post, the page automatically refreshes and signals an audio alert. You can customize the alerts here. For example, you can make the sounds distinct for a trade alert versus an index and sector analysis post versus a community post. You can just change this to a button sound. You also have options in terms of email delivery. You can choose to receive all of Mike's posts or just specific ones like trade alerts. You can receive email alerts at your primary address, your secondary address, or by SMS to your cell phone. The display options also allow you to distinguish and just display certain types of posts. For example, you can display just trade alerts. In addition, you can set your charts as either thumbnails, as you see down here, or inline charts, like so. Lastly, you can set search parameters to display posts by specific symbol or keyword, or even set a customized sound alert when that keyword or symbol is posted in the future. Please don't hesitate to contact us here with any questions. And of course, we hope you'll give us a try by signing up for a free trial. Thank you.